Hello, VA Eastern Kansas community. We're live, and not from the office this week. We're live from Lawrence, Kansas, and right behind me you see the Home Depot. We've actually been on site here all week, or at least our outreach trailer has. But today we got a special treat. We got our outreach team here with Shelly Sweeney on site, going to be here all day and into the evening. And so when you veterans get off work today, I want you to slide on out here and meet Shelly. One, get some information, get some handouts, get some freebies, and then bring a veteran with you, all right? So I've come to you the last couple of Fridays to talk about vaccine updates. So I've got quite a bit of information. Going to try to capture that in as few minutes as possible here so you guys can get back onto your weekend plans, all right? Beautiful day, sunny day, happy for that. Vaccine update for VA Eastern Kansas. So yesterday we were notified that the delay in this week's vaccine was held up because of weather. We put that information out yesterday. Great news is the vaccine has now arrived and we are set up for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week with great success. So weather slowed us down just a little bit. With that, we ended up receiving this week's vaccine doses, and we will also receive next week's doses. So you all are going to be looking at just under 3,000 doses for our veterans. That's including first and second doses throughout VA Eastern Kansas. And that's a lot of numbers, but very confident in our team and what they're doing. If you remember just a week ago, we actually had about 2,800 vaccinations. So we're going to get caught up as quickly as we can. And again, just under 3,000 coming up. No need for you to reach out to us. No need for you to call us, okay? We want to keep those lines open for regular business, for veterans that need other appointments, for other medical concerns and urgencies. So no need to call us. We've got the robocall process in place, and it's going very, very well. Again, we have vaccinated nearly 6,000 individuals, which means that the process is working pretty smoothly. We've got some amazing people behind the scenes working incredible hours to bring this to you and make it so successful. But I have in my hand a postcard. That postcard should have reached just about all of you by now. And on this postcard, it tells you exactly what the robocall process looks like. So again, no need to call us through the robocall. You're going to get the call. You're going to press 1 if you want to receive that vaccine. After you press 1, give 10 days, give 14 days, give or take in there. It just depends on availability. We're going to reach out and call and get you scheduled. So no need for you to do anything with that, all right? So look for the postcard, listen for the robocalls. We're currently calling 65 to 74. We've already called our 75 and above, but we will circle back to that if you were missed as well. So Topeka, incredibly important information right now for Topeka, Kansas. You've been coming into our chapel on the campus. You've been coming into front parking area there off of Gage and coming right into the chapel. That's going to change coming Monday, all right? Monday the 22nd. I want all of you veterans to know if you've got a scheduled appointment, come on back to the east side of our campus, and it's in building 24. So again, come in the gate, go to the east side. There's parking back there. It's called parking lot 27. It's by the gazebo. Plenty of spaces, plenty of spots. This is important as well. Need you not to arrive early. Veterans, I know you love doing that, all right? First Sergeant said, get into formation, and you were there, all right? No need to come early for your vaccine. If you do, we really start to build a bottleneck, and we're not being safe when we're doing that. So we want to keep social distancing. I need you to wear your mask. Come on time. No sooner than 15 minutes. If you are there more than 15 minutes earlier, the staff is going to ask you to wait until your appointment time to come on in, all right? We are down to very fine details in scheduling these appointments. Again, folks, we have 2,800 appointments to get through next week. So scheduling is important. I need you to pay attention to that time that you're supposed to come in. CBOCs, okay? So our community-based clinics. We've been doing this at our main campuses, Leavenworth and Topeka. For some time. We started these on 23 December, so we're about 8 weeks in right now. Junction City in St. Joseph on the 27th of February. That's a week from tomorrow, all right, week from Saturday. We're going to be doing vaccine clinics at your locations, all right? Those times are going to be communicated with you. We have started just a separate process, but only for you rural veterans, all right? There's another process going on right now. Again, you don't need to call us. There is an automated system, and it's called VetText. It comes to your phone. Simply follow the prompts. If you follow those prompts and press those buttons that are needed, you're simply going to be automatically scheduled for that appointment, and you're going to get that confirmation, and it's going to be great, all right? So get the call, answer that call, follow the prompts. Veterans, I understand that not all of us are perfectly set up with the technology that we want, that we need. So some of our older veterans, if you're going to get those calls, maybe there's a family member, maybe there's somebody else that can help you run through those prompts if you need it. But it's really simple. We've made it as easy as we can through the automated system. So again, Junction City, St. Joseph only, all right? You're going to start receiving these automated VetText calls. Follow the prompts and get your appointment scheduled automatically. Looking forward to seeing you guys next Saturday, it'll be the 29th, 27th, 29th. Yeah, so sorry about that. So, yep, CBOX only on the 27th. That takes me to my eligibility websites. I know we get a lot of questions with what if I'm not eligible? Can I still get the vaccine? Right now at this time, we're VA funded, we're VA driven, and so those vaccines are for our eligible veterans only. So how can you do something about that? How can you change that? Enroll. If you're a veteran and you've served our nation, why not enroll for VA healthcare, all right? At least get the eligibility process started. You can go to va.gov and look for the welcome kit there. You can go to topeka.va.gov. That's our home website on the Topeka campus. Go to topeka.va.gov and go down to the right, down to the bottom, and it shows you right there. There's a hyperlink that says welcome kit. So click the welcome kit. It'll give you some phone numbers. It'll give you some local information. It'll tell you how to get in contact or fill out some paperwork online and get yourself enrolled in care. And if need be, you can always call 785-350-4511. That's our eligibility phone number in Topeka. And you can always check our Facebook page on our screen saver on our home site. It's got our logo, and it's also got our eligibility phone numbers for both Leavenworth and Topeka. So I want to wrap my part up because a lot's going on behind me. And again, you see some tent back here. Also way behind me is the Mobile Vet Center. Mike Falk came over from the Kansas City VA area, and he's got his Mobile Vet Center. Again, we've been here all day. I want to thank, before I step off here and turn this over to my outreach coordinator, I want to thank this week our MSAs. So, and why is that? What is an MSA? Medical support assistance. So I've told you 6,000 appointments, 6,000 vaccines have been given. Somewhere behind that vaccine is a phone call, somebody working with you to get that appointment scheduled. And I want to just give a big shout out to our MSAs who have been working tirelessly to make those calls happen. Matter of fact, when the vaccines were halted this week, they called all of you to postpone that appointment. I'm sorry. They called you to postpone that. Now we've got the vaccine doses here. They're going to continue calling Monday through Friday. They call on the weekends as well to get you guys scheduled. So again, this week, thank you, MSAs, for all you're doing behind the scenes to make this successful for VA Eastern Kansas, all right? Now I want to turn this over to our outreach coordinator, Ms. Shelley Sweeney. She's a veteran herself. She's been doing amazing work with us. And if you don't know her yet, I promise this, you're going to get to know her because she is going to be everywhere in our 20,000 square mile footprint. You heard it right. We cover 20,000 square miles, and Shelley's going to be covering every bit of that at some point this year. So I'm going to turn it over here. Shelley, tell them what's going on today.
Hi, veterans in Kansas. Come on over to Lawrence Home Depot today. We're going to be here for a little while longer, a couple more hours at least. We want you to stop by, not just to shop at Home Depot, but also we want you to stop by the Veterans VA table here. If you have questions about VA healthcare or other benefits, disability claims, that sort of thing, we've got the staff that is expert on site here. Not just me, but we have our Mobile Vet Center here, the director for that, and we also have some other staff that can answer questions for you. Now, if you're not a veteran, that's okay. If you know a veteran that has some questions, is struggling, that needs some information, send them on over. We're going to be here. We want to talk with them. We want to share that information and get them enrolled in health care. When veterans are eligible and they need the care, we got to make sure we take care of them. So if you can come on over, or if you can send a veteran you know that needs help over, please do that. And if you can't do either of those things, follow Joe's direction and get onto the website, find the information and the phone numbers you need. va.gov, and Topeka's is topeka.va.gov. We want to help. We want to make sure that you get the services that you need if you're a veteran. Thank you for your support and thank you for your service.
Awesome. Shelly, thank you very much. So, recap. Again, Shelly, she's kind of amazing. So you want to get to know her. Recap, all right? Vaccines next week. 22nd Monday in Topeka. You're going to go to the backside of our campus. You're going to come into building 24, all right? Be on time. No need to be early. Robocalls are happening. No need for you to call us. CBOX, Junction City, St. Joseph, Missouri. Junction City, St. Joseph, Missouri. On the 27th. We will be taking care of some vaccines there. It's going to be a limited number. Again, the teams are reaching out to you through an automated system. Follow the prompts. Get yourself scheduled, all right? And finally, eligibility. We've talked about it a couple times. Eligibility. If you're not enrolled, veterans, I need to tell you, you've earned it, all right? You've earned it, so get in here and get the care that you deserve, that you earn. We've got about 1,900 staff members that are just eager to serve you. You've served us. You served your country. It's time for us to serve you, all right? Reach out anytime you need to. You can always send your comments in our chat boxes on our social media sites as you wish, and we'll get those answered as quickly as we can, all right? Again, I'm Joseph Burks, Chief of Communications, Public Relations for VA Eastern Kansas Healthcare System, and today, for the first time in a long time, it is sunny out here, and I see snow melting. Looking forward to great things. Looking forward to reclaiming summer of 2021. Thank you, veterans. Appreciate you.